The 5 laziest ways to make $100 a day online. Are you tired of trading your time for a paycheck that barely moves the needle? Watching the clock tick down, feeling like your potential is just sitting there, collecting dust? What if you could hit a goal like $100 a day, using methods that feel more like browsing online than real work? It sounds like a fantasy, right? The kind of thing you see in flashy ads but never believe is real. Well, we decided to put it to the test. In this video, we're breaking down 5 shockingly easy, almost lazy strategies to make $100 a day online in 2025. These are methods that require little to no experience, proving you don't always have to grind yourself to the bone to get ahead. Now, before we jump in, let's be crystal clear. Lazy doesn't mean zero effort. It means smart effort. It means leveraging tools and systems to do the heavy lifting for you, so you can get maximum results with minimum input. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes, but they are some of the lowest stress, most accessible ways to start generating real income online. I'm going to walk you through each one, step by step, and show you the real potential. So, if you're ready to work smarter, not harder, stick around. Let's get into the first method. First way, AI tool affiliate promotion. The first lazy way to make $100 a day is by becoming an affiliate for AI tools. The AI industry is exploding. The global market was valued at over $200 billion in 2024 and is projected to potentially surpass $1.5 trillion by 2030. Businesses and creators are scrambling for the latest AI software to do everything from writing content to creating videos, and here's where you come in. You don't need to be a tech genius. All you have to do is promote these tools and earn a commission for every person who signs up through your unique link. Think of yourself as a digital matchmaker, connecting a business with a problem to the perfect AI solution. So, what makes this a lazy method? 2 words: recurring commissions. Many AI affiliate programs, like those for tools such as WriteSonic, Jasper, or the AI voice generator Murph AI, offer recurring commissions. This means you get paid every single month for as long as the customer you referred stays subscribed. You do the work once, get one person to sign up, and you could get paid for months or even years from that single referral. Let's break down the potential. Some AI affiliate programs offer recurring commissions from 20% to as high as 50%. Imagine you promote a tool that costs $99 a month with a 30% recurring commission. That's nearly $30 in your pocket every single month from just one referral. Get a few of those and you start building a foundation for consistent monthly income. Here's how you can get started with literally zero experience. First, pick a niche you're interested in. It could be anything: video editing, content writing, social media, you name it. Second, find AI tools that serve that niche. A quick search for best AI video editors or top AI writing tools will give you a list. Then, look for their affiliate or partner programs. Many, like CustomGPT.ai, make it easy to sign up. Third, create simple content showcasing the tool. This is the work part, but it can be fun. You can create short 60-second TikToks or YouTube shorts demonstrating how the tool works. Use a screen recorder to make a mini tutorial. Show a before and after, like how an AI tool can create a professional-sounding voiceover in minutes. You don't even have to show your face. A simple video titled "This AI tool creates amazing videos in 60 seconds" can get thousands of views. You put your affiliate link in your bio, and as people sign up, the recurring revenue starts to build. Now, for a reality check. While top affiliates earn hundreds per day, it's not instant. It takes consistency to build an audience that trusts your recommendations. Plus, affiliate program terms can change, so always check the current commission rates. But the lazy part is that once your content is out there, it can generate signups for months or years, creating a genuinely passive income stream. Second way, App-based tasks, and AMP, gaming tournaments. The second lazy way to make $100 a day is something you can do from your couch, using a combination of money-making apps. Now, let's be honest. Most people who try this fail because they stick to one low-paying app and get discouraged. The key is to stack them strategically. Here's the breakdown. First, you have your foundation: micro-task and survey apps. Platforms like Swagbucks, Free Cash, and Survey Junkie pay you for simple tasks, taking polls, testing apps, or watching videos. You won't get rich from these alone, and despite what some ads claim, a reliable base from these apps is more like a few dollars a day, not $20, $40. But it's a start. Next, you can try to amplify those earnings with skill-based cash gaming apps like Solitaire Cash, Bubble Cash, and Blackout Bingo. These platforms let you compete against other players in tournaments for real cash prizes. The companies state this is not considered gambling because the games are skill-based. However, you absolutely need to check the laws in your state or country, as cash prize tournaments are restricted in many areas. The idea is that if you're good at a game like Solitaire, you can win more than your entry fee. Some tournaments have prize pools reaching over $80 for a single game. So here's an example of what a lucky day could look like. You spend some time in the morning on Survey Junkie and earn $5 to $10. Later, you play a few tournaments on Solitaire Cash. If you're a skilled player and win a couple of games, you might add another $20, $30. Then, you use an app like Free Cash to get paid for downloading and trying a new mobile game, which might offer a bonus for reaching a certain level. Combine all three, and you could have a great day, but hitting $100 this way is not typical. The reality is, earnings from survey apps are usually just a few dollars a day. And with skill-based games, you are competing against other good players, and it's very possible to lose your entry fee. Think of these apps as a way to turn your downtime into a little extra cash, not a guaranteed paycheck. Alright, we're 2 methods in with 3 more to go. If you're getting value from this so far, do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button. We post content like this all the time to help you find new ways to make money online, and you won't want to miss what's next. Now let's get back to it. Third way, niche TikTok content creation. The third lazy way to pocket $100 a day is by becoming a faceless TikTok creator. In 2025, you don't need to be a dancer or a comedian to make serious money. Thanks to TikTok's Creator Rewards program, there's never been a better time to turn simple videos into a steady income. The old Creator Fund was known for low payouts, sometimes just $20 for 1 million views. The new Creator Rewards program has completely changed the game. Creators report earning RPMs, revenue per 1,000 views, that can range from $0.40 to over $1,000 for qualified views. That means a single video with 1 million views could potentially earn between $400 and $1,000. So, what's the lazy angle? You don't have to show your face, use a fancy camera, or even come up with groundbreaking ideas. You can create content around something you're already passionate about. Here's how you get started. First, check your eligibility for the Creator Rewards program. Generally, you need to be at least 18, have 10,000 followers, and have at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. Crucially, only videos over 1 minute long qualify. These rules can change by region, so always check the latest requirements in the TikTok app. Second, choose a niche. The more specific, the better. Instead of cooking, try 5-ingredient or less recipes. Instead of fitness, try 10-minute home workouts. Third, create your content. This is where the lazy part shines. You can use free stock footage from sites like Pexels, screen recordings, or simple text-on-screen videos with trending audio. A channel sharing surprising history facts could just be text overlays on historical images. A daily motivational quotes channel is even simpler. You can use a free tool like Canva to create dozens of these videos in under an hour. Beyond the Creator Rewards program, you have other ways to monetize. Once you have 1,000 followers, you can go live and earn from virtual gifts, though this is also subject to age and region rules. As your account grows, you can also land brand deals. Even smaller creators can get paid a few $100s for a single 60-second video. Now, for the reality check. RPMs vary wildly depending on your niche, audience location, and watch time. Some creators report much lower rates, closer to just a few cents per 1,000 views. Success on TikTok requires consistency. Hitting $100 a day won't happen overnight, but by creating simple, valuable, faceless content, you can build multiple income streams on a platform you're probably already scrolling through every day. Fourth way, retail arbitrage on Amazon. The fourth lazy way to make $100 a day is a modern-day treasure hunt called retail arbitrage. The concept is simple. You buy discounted products from stores like Walmart or Target and resell them on Amazon for a higher price. You're just taking advantage of the price difference between a local clearance aisle and the massive online market. What makes this lazy? You don't have to create a product, build a website, or run ads. You're simply the middleman, and the free Amazon Seller app turns your phone into a profit calculator. Here's how it works. You walk into a store, head to the clearance section, and start scanning barcodes. The app instantly tells you what the product is selling for on Amazon, its sales rank, and an estimate of your profit after Amazon's fees. Let's say you find a board game on clearance for $7. You scan it and see it's selling on Amazon for $27. After fees, the app estimates a $10 profit. If you find 10 of them, that's a potential $100 profit from one trip. To make it even easier, you can use Amazon FBA, or Fulfillment by Amazon. Instead of shipping each item yourself, you send everything in one big box to an Amazon warehouse. Amazon then handles storage, packing, shipping, and customer service. This streamlines the logistics massively. But here's the important reality check. That $10 profit example is idealized. It doesn't account for sales tax on your purchase, shipping supplies, or potential long-term storage fees at the warehouse. Also, prices on Amazon can change fast, and you'll face competition. Some brands and categories are restricted, meaning you need approval to sell them. Using FBA isn't entirely passive either. You still have to manage your inventory, adjust prices, and handle your seller account health. It's a lower-touch business, not a no-touch one. A realistic profit margin for many sellers is around 15 to 20% after all costs. So while some full-time sellers do make hundreds a day, beginners should start small and focus on learning the ropes. For anyone who loves the thrill of a good deal, this turns shopping into a profitable side hustle. Fifth way, selling digital downloads on Etsy. Our fifth and final lazy way to make $100 a day is by selling digital downloads on Etsy. This is one of the best examples of a create once, sell forever business model. There's no inventory, no shipping, and no materials. You create a digital file once, upload it, and can sell it an infinite number of times. What are digital downloads? Anything from printable wall art, weekly planners, and budget trackers to social media templates or digital stickers for iPads. The demand is huge because people want affordable, instant solutions. The lazy appeal is undeniable. After you create the product, the rest is mostly automated. When a customer buys, Etsy delivers the file instantly. You can make money while you sleep. Let's walk through an example. You see, weekly meal planners are trending. You could use a free tool like Canva to design your own unique planner in about an hour and list it for $5. To hit $100 a day from that one product, you'd need 20 sales. Does a brand new listing get 20 sales a day instantly? Almost never. The reality is that success on Etsy is a slow build. It depends on good research, quality design, and smart SEO to get seen. And while the sales part is automated, running the shop isn't completely passive. You still need to answer customer questions, stay on top of trends, and maybe run a few ads to get your first sales. Most successful sellers build a shop with dozens or even hundreds of products. Having a portfolio of 50 optimized products gives you a much better chance of a few of them selling each day. The path to $100 a day here is a numbers game. It takes time for the momentum to build, but once it does, it becomes one of the most hands-off business models you can run. So there you have it. 5 of the laziest, most accessible ways to start making $100 a day online in 2025. Let's do a quick recap. We talked about earning recurring commissions with AI affiliate marketing. We covered how to stack money-making apps to turn screen time into cash. We explored building a faceless TikTok channel. We went treasure hunting with retail arbitrage. And we finished with the highly leveraged income of Etsy digital downloads. Remember, lazy is about working smarter, not being apathetic. Each of these methods requires smart effort up front. But once you get the ball rolling, they are designed to use systems and platforms to do the hard work for you. The goal isn't to avoid work entirely. It's to escape the trap of only trading hours for dollars. The most important step is the first one. Pick one method that genuinely interests you and just give it a try. Don't get overwhelmed. Whether it's creating your first TikTok or scanning your first clearance item, just start. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more content on building smarter income streams. And I want to hear from you. Which of these methods are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. I've linked the tools and resources mentioned in the description. Now go out there and start building.